What's up everyone, this is Nowhere Studios, I'm Slade, and something messed up, we're playing Skyblock 2, something messed up, and, it made, part of the video messed up, and then it, made me restart, so, yeah, I'm gonna, so, yeah. So, yeah, that's what I got done, and it's gonna be like a super short video now. Sorry guys. So, this is what I have right now. So right now I'm trying to get some stuff and money, but then 700 more. I also need stone one set, so need stone one stone. Hey London. 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 You there? You there, buddy? Okay, I'm going. Please. Cause I think he said he had to go. But he's still in the call. Yeah. Right now I'm just trying to get money. Waiting. Trying. Most efficient way to get money for me is to sell eggs. Yeah, 100 more cash. On. Okay, there. I think anybody's in this room right now, so I'm just going to stay in the call. So he's back. So, I have to keep watching a movie. But okay. I'm going to leave the call. I'm doing that. A couple minutes. It's done. You can talk. Not there yet. Customers. 7. So these and sell some wood. Yeah, wood. We have just the right amount. Okay, wait for it to load. Okay. Okay, done. That's it. Okay. Save. Go down the slide. Okay. That's done. Wow. So the series, this is not going to be the series final, but the series final is going to be like me, Landon, and Nathan playing hide and seek. We'll be able to hide on each other's bases. So we have to check whose base it is before we join. So before we like go on it. Yeah, 150 then. I was going up there for no. I was going up there to go on the slide and then I just completely skipped it. I'm gonna stop making you busy. I don't get dizzy often, so I'm always making you guys busy. Yeah, it works this time. Okay, do a base tour. So, it says taken 100% done. Yay! So, level 3 F shop, done that. Um, what is this? Farming level 3, so my pick is like diamond or silver, I think. Most chickens as you can get. So let's go up here. Blacksmith, stone generator level 3, iron, the mining skill level 3, diamond pick, oh, diamond. Mob spawner level 3, that's red sword, ruby sword. That was nothing like that. Okay. Okay, here's the house. Oh, it was only here in last episode. Yeah, last episode. In when it was Lion's house. Never been in here. Been in here. So, it's got gear. Hi, hi, stay, hi, to, you, hi, to. Do you walk? No, I'm gonna walk. This is a terrible. Big toy. Hyperbike kinda walks sometimes. This is my favorite. But sometimes it doesn't work. Bye. How is this? Over there. Whee! Here we go, and she also just be like a whoa, whoa, whoa. That didn't go out well. Uh-huh. Okay, go back up to the treehouse and check that out. So, so I got put a shooting arrow. I remember this like this was my hiding spot in the last episode. We played like a mini hide and seek. So guys, that's gonna be the end of this episode. I hope you liked it. Can we get 1 like for this video? 1 like. I think we can do it. So this I'm Slade. Doing the list of videos. Subscribe, leave a like, push the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.